What if I told you that you can create something today and start making money online in few days, selling it, even if you have zero influence? I mean, even if nobody knows you. Yes, you can. So in today's video, I want to show you 4 digital products you can create right now after watching this video and start making money in few days. You don't need any capital to do this. You don't need any special experience. If you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to build an audience that will buy this digital product from you and help you start making money immediately. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chamaka, and on this channel, I teach you how to start a profitable online business that works for you, that makes money for you, even as a total beginner. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, you need to go on and subscribe right now so you don't miss my upcoming videos, because I have a lot in store for you. You see this online money, we are about to make it and you will not be left behind. So let's get into it. Digital product is the fastest way to start making money online right now, and it's something anybody can do. I sell digital products on a daily basis. That is to say, I make money online on a daily basis using digital products. So what I'm about to share with you is something I have done and continues to do, and I am sure that you too can do it. Let's start with understanding what digital product is. Digital product is anything you create right now that anybody can access from any part of the world without any physical transaction. So you live in Lagos, you live in Ibadan, you live in Kaduna, you live in Imo State. You create the digital product. I have access to your digital product without seeing you, without any way bill or physical transactions. I just make payment and I have access to that. Whatever it is, so long as I can access it online, it's called digital product. I call it cash on demand. An interesting thing is something anybody can create. You create a digital product once, you go on to sell it over and again for many years to come. You don't run out of stock. That's how amazing this is. So now you know what digital product is. Well, what you may not have heard of is that digital product can be created in few minutes. Yes, in less than 5-10 minutes, you can actually come up with a digital product that can make you a millionaire. If it's something a lot of people are interested in, something that solves problems for a lot of people, you go on to sell it non-stop. Here are 4 digital products you can create now as a beginner that will help you start making money online immediately. The first one is a checklist. A checklist is a short, easy to use steps or items that help your audience achieve a goal or get result really quick. So there's something you have been doing over and again and be getting results. You can actually draft a checklist, just showing us step by step how that is done, and you'll be shocked how people are going to buy this product. Some examples include daily social media post checklist, where you make a checklist of how people should post on a daily basis on their social media. Another one is daily routine checklist, just a list of what someone can do on a daily basis to achieve a particular goal. As simple as that. Now, this product can be priced between $1 to $4 or 1,000 naira to 4,000 naira. You can also use it as a freebie, a lead magnet, something you gift people to get them to do other things. This is what checklist looks like. A quick digital product that guides your audience on what to do, just the way you do it. The second digital product you can create right now as a beginner and start making money from it in few days is mini ebook. This is my favorite, both creating and consuming. Mini ebook is a short, focused digital product that provides solution to your audience problem. It's usually between 5 to 20 pages and value packed. In mini ebooks, you hit the nail on the head, no fluffs. Audience love it because it's so quick and straight to the point. I mean, it offers needed solution without the stress of going through a lot to find the solution. Nobody wants to read a 100-page ebook anymore. We want something that will solve our problem and solve it really quick. And that's where mini ebook comes in. Here are some examples. You are a cook. You can make a mini ebook on 5 minutes guide to prepare Chinese rice. 5 smart ways to save money as a student. These are mini ebooks. And like I said, your audience loves it because it gives them solution without wasting their time. So you can price your mini ebook between $1 to $8, and then you make a lot of money selling it. The third interesting digital product you can create in few minutes and make a lot of money selling is template. So template is a pre-made reusable file or design that saves people time and effort. What template does for your audience is to lift the burden off their shoulder. I want to do something. I don't have to go start from the scratch. You already designed the template for me. All I do is plug and play. And that's why a lot of people love paying for templates, because it helps them save time and stress. Here are some examples of templates. We have CV template, business proposal template, content creation template, Canva design template. These are examples of what you can design and then give it to your audience. They just plug in and play. This is something you can create in few minutes. Once you already have a knowledge on that, just go on and make it easier for your audience by designing a template. They get the template from you, put in little details, and the work is complete. So template saves time for your audience, ensures consistency, and makes work easier for your audience. And that's why a lot of people are buying it. So if you have a knowledge in anything at all, you can actually design a template on it and sell it to your audience. Templates can be priced between $5 to as high as $50, depending on the complexity of what you designed. And if it's something that solves a problem for people, they will pay you immediately and enjoy the ease you offer them through your template. So here are interesting parts about templates. It's in high demand because people always want shortcuts. It can be sold as single template or bundle packs. And finally, it's very scalable. You make it once and sell it hundreds of times without running out of stock. This brings us to the fourth digital product you can create in few hours and make a lot of money selling it. Mini course. A mini course is a short structured online course that teaches one skill or solves one problem. It's usually video based or audio based. So I remember creating my first ever mini course 4 years ago, and I sold over 50 units of this course. It was a 30-minute recording I did. I learned how to do Google My Business online registration and just recorded myself doing it and then put it online, announced it. A lot of people rushed and bought it. So a mini course is a great way to make money online right now, selling your knowledge. What you need to do is to sit down, flip your camera open, and talk about that thing you are good at. Because it's mini course, it's easy to create. It goes straight to the point and saves time too. You can price your mini course between $10 to $50, depending on the topic and complexity of work involved. So a good example of a mini course is Beginner's Guide to Freelancing, Beginner's Guide to Content Creation, How to Become a Virtual Assistant in Few Minutes. So the difference between a mini course and ebook is medium of communication. An ebook is a written text, but a mini course is a video recording or audio recording. So depending on what your audience prefers, you can do an ebook or a mini course. Whichever one you choose to do, it is easy to make, and then it will make you money in no time. Here are some interesting points about mini course. It doesn't have to be long, just 3 to 7 lessons. The course is ready. It builds authority and trust. When you create a course, people begin to see you as an expert in your field. And finally, it can be sold as single or as a bundle. So you can bundle it with other digital products like mini ebook and the rest of them. Now, how do you sell this? The truth is, when it comes to selling and making money online, you need to have an audience. So how do you build an audience? Not just an audience, but a buying audience. You need to go for something a lot of people are interested in. When there's demand for that topic, selling it becomes super easy. So once you pick the right niche, the next thing is to start building immediately. Start creating content around that topic. So I created this video here talking about how to build an online presence in 90 days. In fact, I gave you down examples and secrets that will help you get a lot of traffic. Now, you need to go on and watch this video because I offer so much value when it comes to growing an audience that will pay you in 90 days. So now that you've gathered the audience, the next thing is to offer them your product. You can actually have a launch. It can be a webinar launch. One more thing you can do in addition to all I discussed in this video is to give a freebie just to get them to join your launch and listen to what you have to offer them. This is a super smart way to get a lot of people interested in what you sell. So start creating digital products immediately and start building online presence. Start building your influence. There's a lot of money to be made in the online space. If you're still struggling with building an audience that will pay you for your digital product, you really need to watch this video because I talked about how to build an audience and earn up to 500,000 in the next 90 days from now. So go on and watch this video right now and start making money online selling your knowledge. See you in my next video.